TechCrunch.com. It's a leading website at the forefront of tech news, with a particular focus on the exciting world of startups. TechCrunch hosts the highly anticipated Disrupt conferences, which bring together startups, investors, and industry leaders for networking, pitching, and discussions on the future of technology. They also offer reviews of new gadgets and software, keeping you informed about the latest innovations impacting the tech industry. Engadget.com. Engadget is renowned for its in-depth reviews, offering detailed analysis, real-world testing, and insightful comparisons to help you make informed purchase decisions. They cover a wide range of products, from smartphones and laptops to wearables, smart home devices, and even gaming hardware. CNET.com. CNET stands as a titan in the tech journalism world and is known for its commitment to providing fair and objective reviews. CNET boasts a massive library of content encompassing news articles, how-to guides, and also focuses on the practical applications of technology, helping you understand how tech products can improve your daily life. Tom'sHardware.com. It distinguishes itself as a website catering to hardcore PC enthusiasts and builders. Tom's Hardware reviews offer comprehensive benchmarks, performance analyses, and detailed comparisons, ideal for users who want a deep understanding of a PC component's capabilities. Tom's Hardware caters to the DIY do-it-yourself PC building crowd. TechRadar.com. It's a trusted resource for anyone seeking guidance in the consumer tech arena. TechRadar offers comprehensive reviews of a wide range of tech products, from smartphones and laptops to cameras and wearables. TechRadar simplifies the buying process with well-structured buying guides. Ars Technica. It stands out as a website for tech enthusiasts who crave in-depth analysis and technical knowledge. Their articles delve into technical details and specifications, offering comprehensive analysis that appeals to readers with a strong technical background. PCWorld.com. It caters specifically to PC users, offering a wealth of news, reviews, troubleshooting guides, and software downloads. They evaluate performance, compatibility, and value for money, helping you choose the best components and software for your PC. 9to5Mac.com. They cater specifically to Apple users, offering comprehensive news, reviews, rumors, tutorials, and insights into the world of Apple products and services. They provide comprehensive reviews of Apple products, including iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watch. Their reviews analyze design, performance, features, and value for money, helping you make informed purchase decisions. AndroidAuthority.com. They specialize in everything related to the Android mobile operating system and keep you updated on the latest developments in the Android world. From new software releases and upcoming phone launches to industry trends and developer news. TheNextWeb.com. It focuses on emerging technologies and cutting-edge innovations. The Next Web delves into the world of data security, fintech, and commerce. They offer insightful articles, interviews with industry leaders, and analyses of how these technologies will shape the future.